Hi, this is Soul Sync Living. Have you ever walked through a forest and felt a deep sense of peace wash over you? That feeling has a name, and it's a powerful practice for longevity called Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. It originated in Japan in the 1980s as a form of nature therapy. It's not about exercise or hiking. It's about simply being in nature and connecting with it through all of our senses. Think of it as a bridge between us and the natural world. A bridge that scientists are now discovering holds profound benefits for our health and lifespan. So how exactly does spending time in nature help us live longer and healthier lives? The science is fascinating. Numerous studies are now showing a direct link between nature exposure and key markers of aging. When we immerse ourselves in a natural environment, our bodies respond in incredible ways. We see reductions in stress, a stronger immune system, and even changes in our very cells that suggest a slowing of the aging process. It's not just a feeling of well-being. It's a measurable physiological response. Researchers are finding that nature is a powerful, yet gentle, prescription for longevity, helping to combat the wear and tear of modern life on our bodies. One of the most amazing secrets behind forest bathing is something called phytoncides. It might sound like a complex scientific term, but it is simply the natural oils that trees and plants release into the air to protect themselves from germs and insects. When we walk through a forest, we're literally breathing in these aromatic compounds, and guess what? They're incredibly good for us. Studies have shown that inhaling phytoncides can significantly boost the activity of our natural killer cells, or NK cells. These are a type of white blood cell that plays a vital role in our immune system, helping our bodies fight off viruses and even tumor cells. So every breath of fresh forest air is like a natural immune booster, a gift from the trees. The benefits don't stop with our immune system. Spending time in a forest environment has a remarkable effect on our entire body, particularly our heart, hormones, and nervous system. Clinical studies have provided clear evidence of these changes. For example, people who practice forest bathing show a significant drop in their cortisol levels. Cortisol is our primary stress hormone, and chronically high levels are linked to a host of health problems and accelerated aging. At the same time, we see improvements in heart rate variability, or HRV, which is a sign of a healthier, more resilient cardiovascular system. Blood pressure and heart rate also tend to decrease. This happens because nature helps shift our nervous system from the fight or flight mode to the rest and digest state, promoting deep relaxation and recovery. It's a full-body reset, orchestrated by the sights, sounds, and smells of the forest. So how can you start practicing Shinrin-yoku in your own life? The wonderful thing is that it's incredibly simple and requires no special equipment. You don't need to be in a remote, ancient forest. A local park with some trees can work beautifully. The key is to slow down and engage your senses. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes, but even 10 minutes can make a difference. Find a comfortable spot to stand or sit. Close your eyes for a moment and take a few deep, mindful breaths. Feel the air on your skin. What do you smell? The earthy scent of the soil, the sweet fragrance of pine? Now open your eyes and really look around. Notice the different shades of green, the texture of the tree bark, the way the light filters through the leaves. Listen to the sounds around you, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds. Touch a leaf, a stone, or the bark of a tree. The goal is to simply be present, to absorb the forest atmosphere without any agenda. Leave your phone behind, forget about your to-do list, and just allow yourself to connect with the natural world. It is a simple practice that can bring profound peace and incredible health benefits into your daily life. Thank you for joining us at Soul Sync Living. We hope this inspires you to find your own patch of nature and experience the healing power of forest bathing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a little more nature in their life. See you next time.